Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I am doing the front brakes, or I'm going to show you the front brake torque specifications on this 2016 Ford Explorer. This is the Ford Explorer with a 14-inch front rotor, but I'm going to show you the torque specifications for all of these. This will apply for the 2014 to 2019 year Ford Explorer. So we're going to cover the brakes and the lug nuts. First, you might be wondering where I get my torque specifications that I am showing you, and let me show you real fast. This here is the brake specifications guide and brake bleed procedures from Motor Guide. A really good book to have on hand if you're going to be doing a lot of BJs. So here we go. First off, here on the back, you have a bolt for your bracket to knuckle on top and a bracket to knuckle on bottom. These are 18mm bolts and they are tightened up to 122 foot-pounds. But take note, manufacturer recommends replacing these bolts every time you do a brake job. Next, the caliper bracket to caliper itself bolts. These are 17mm bolts. These bolts are tightened down to a 55 foot-pound torque specification if you have the 14-inch rotors and 53 foot-pounds if you have the 13-inch rotors. So that's going to be a difference on these caliper to caliper to bracket bolts. So again, this will be a little bit of a variation. If you have the 14-inch rotors, these caliper to bracket bolts are 55 foot-pounds. If you have the 13-inch rotors, caliper to bracket bolts are 53 foot-pounds. Now when it comes to lug nuts, on the standard Ford Explorer, 100 foot-pounds is manufacturer recommendations. If you have the Ford Explorer Police package or Police Interceptor, the lug nuts specification is 110 foot-pounds. So a little bit different on that too. But that covers all of the torque specifications for the Ford Explorer on the 2016 to 2019 year models. If this video did help you out, comment below. And also, if you need a full complete DIY how-to video on how to install the front brake pads and rotors, and soon rear brake pads and rotors, make sure to look for a link in the description or check out the video library, and I have a full tutorial on how to do the brakes on this vehicle. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.